How long before you can safely walk or drive on a repaired sidewalk or driveway depends on the material used and the conditions during curing. For self-leveling polyurethane sealants like Sikaflex, expect a tack-free surface in 1 to 2 hours and full cure in 2 to 3 days under typical conditions with temperatures between 50 and 70 degrees Fahrenheit and moderate humidity. Apply sealant to clean, dry cracks and use a backer rod in wide joints to control depth so the material can cure evenly from the sides and bottom outward. Work in thin beads rather than overfilling to avoid trapping solvents and to speed cure time, and always follow the product data sheet for joint size limitations and recommended temperatures. Polymeric sand requires spreading dry into joints, compacting, then thoroughly activating with water to dissolve the binder. After final wetting, the sand locks within a few hours to 1 day, but allow up to 24 hours before heavy traffic depending on product and weather. Cooler temperatures or high humidity will slow chemical reactions, so add another day for every 10 degrees below the recommended range and avoid rain for at least 4 to 6 hours after application for polymeric sand unless the product specifically allows it. For best results, plan repairs when several dry days are forecast, check manufacturer cure charts, and perform a small test patch if unsure about ambient conditions. Common mistakes include walking or driving on repairs too soon, which can cause tear out or displacement. Wait at least the tack-free time for light foot traffic and the full cure period before vehicle loads to protect adhesion. Another issue is applying sealant to dirty or damp cracks, which reduces bond strength. Always clean with a wire brush, compressed air, or a pressure washer, and let the substrate dry completely before applying any sealant. A third concern is using too much polymeric sand without proper compaction and activation, leading to loose sand and weed growth. Sweep in small amounts, compact thoroughly with a tamper or plate, then activate with multiple light water passes until the binder dissolves evenly. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners locate local contractors who offer concrete repair and paving services and helps contractors find work by listing their services and project photos on our site. We also host an active discussion community where homeowners and contractors share real-world tips, product experiences, and timing advice for curing and warranty considerations.